Hello?
What are you doing? Hiding?
Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are stepping away from the Civic Type R rebuild that we've been doing. Look at how good this car is turning out. There's some very important parts and pieces that we have not gotten in yet. Hopefully we get them tomorrow and we can make some solid progress on that car. Next up is drivetrain work, which is exciting. Put the motor and trans back in, fired up, go for a nice little drive. We should be good to go. So Bobby's STI has not been driven in how long, Bobby?
Literally since we went to that one car show with the STI.
3 or 4 months ago. It's been a couple months, and the reason for it is because why, Bobby?
Because I have because I have a blown turbo. Yep. I have a heartburn.
So you have to sit down?
Yeah. It's not that heavy.
No. I was acting like it was a big truck though. Okay, you guys knew or know, possibly if you've been following the channel for a minute, Bobby's STI is fully built, ETS kit, currently running a 5858 on it, and fully built motor, closed deck, got all the goodies. The initial plan was when her turbo blew, was to go to a 6470 or 6466 with some cams and make like 800 plus. Unfortunately, that has yet to work out for reasons I don't really care to talk about right now. Some companies piss me off. So what I decided to do, because winter's coming right around the corner, I know Bobby wants to drive for cars. She has driven neither of her cars for a very long time, and she misses her STI and she wants to sell it because I never finish it. So I took off her 5858, I sent it in to my friends at Boost Lab, and they went through it and made it new again.
For real?
Yes.
You didn't tell me you did that. You didn't tell me.
I don't need to tell you everything I do in life.
You actually do? So I can literally drive it today.
Unless we put the turbo on and it still rattles around like it used to, then yeah.
And smokes?
Yes.
Can you please call out the company that literally sucks dick?
No. Ooh. And also, I must say, this company has a very quick turnaround time. Double boxed.
Quality.
What? We got more goodies?
Whoa.
They must love me.
What?
And you. We got a bunch of pens. Perfect. The warehouse could use some of those. We got air fresheners with the turbo on them. Those are sick. Ooh, it smells like a turbo. I have a shirt. Dude, that's fire. I'm putting that on right now. Hold up. Let me take off this fire windbreaker that's dropping this Friday real quick. With a shirt that's not dropping this Friday real quick. I already can put the camera down. I don't feel like showing my big belly.
We want to see your belly.
No, nobody wants to see it. Okay, that's about it for goodies.
Now here's the real goodie.
You know it's a small turbo and they can fit it in this little ass box. Should we just do a 75, 70 time?
Whoa.
What? They recoded it? What?
Did you ask for that?
I don't think so. Dude, it's brand new. No way. Whoa.
Brand spanking new.
Jeez. Alright, now I'm kind of excited. This is literally brand new. You see how floppy it is? No flop to the shaft. So she's a little smoky before, a little rattly before, as you guys heard. And yeah, all you gotta do is you just take it off and you send it in to my good friends and they rebuild it for you.
What is it called? Boost Lab?
Boost Lab, yeah. Bobby's STI is in the other warehouse over yonder, so we can either put the turbo. Bobby, stop smiling so big. We can either put the turbo on over there, honey, or we can push the car into here.
We can start it up.
With no turbo? And no oil lines, they'll sprayed oil all over the floor.
We can do it over there. It'd be kind of fun to film in that shop.
You want to go in the print shop / Vossen
Have you
HQ?
even done a tour over there before?
No,
Do you want to?
it's always so loud over there.
Okay, that's fine. We can just work over there.
Let's go put this girl on. In the 38 years that this car was down, I somehow lost the nut for the V-band for the up pipe. I also somehow do not have a replacement nut here at the shop. Quality. New turbo, I guess rebuilt turbo is back on the car. Went ahead, apparently I can't talk today. Went ahead with a new ETS filter and she's back up and running. Bobby, are you hyped?
So hyped.
Are you more hyped for the turbo or all the other shit we're about to put on?
Mostly that I'm going to be driving this car again.
We are gonna completely transform the front of this thing real quick with some new parts. The lip is still off, the grill is still off. It's just a bare bumper right now. Reason for it is because we had the bumper sprayed. We weren't too stoked on the color match, so Bobby's dad resprayed it again. They just took the whole car so they can match it properly. And look at that color match, my friends. It's perfect. So we have the carbon lip to put back on. We have, what else? The carbon grill. We have this little carbon fiber center thingy mabobber. We are throwing on a carbon Sibon hood and some Subi speed headlights. What else? Where's your little titanium things? I got Bobby the side marker or the side badges right here for her birthday. Check those out. These are from WC Lathe Works, I think. And they can do some custom stuff. And then this one's for the trunk. Should be sick. So let's do this. What are we starting with? The hood?
Yes. So good.
That's quite the contrast, Bobby. I like it. I guess it just looks really ridiculous with no lip or just like a gutted bumper. Interesting. I like it. I can dig it. Not bad at all. It goes good with the black roof, I guess. All right, we got the hood on the car. Fully aligned. All of the gaps are decent. Beautiful, beautiful. Take a little step back. It looks good. It's always tough doing a carbon hood or a carbon trunk on a lighter colored car. I think it looks good, for example, on the Type R or on Bobby's Evo 10, especially after we tint it. It's gonna look even better. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of the carbon hood on Bobby's STI. I like it. Of course, we're gonna run it. Like I said, it's always tough. Dark hood on a light colored car. I want to show you guys another item from the upcoming drop this Friday. This one is definitely one of my favorites. God Loves Fast Cars tee. Here's the back, here's the front. Very, very sick design. We have that in the brown color I just showed you, in white and in black. Now I realized after the last video I posted, there's so many new subscribers with the Type R build going on right now. A lot of you guys don't even know what Vossen is, what Vossen means, or anything to do with Vossen. Vossen Apparel is a brand I started out of my parents' basement a few years back, out of this tiny little, like maybe 200 square foot section of my parents' basement, as a way to connect with you guys through our passion for cars, which ties it back to the meaning of Vossen. The word Vossen is a tweaked version of a Czech word that I found in the dictionary, which means passion. I know I never show you guys anything behind the scenes with Vossen Apparel. We are now doing all of our screen printing and a ton of other manufacturing in-house. All the hoodies, all the t-shirts, everything is printed right here, right in Spokane, Washington, which is pretty cool, by a company that I also started very recently called The Print Shop. So if you guys ever need anything printed or embroidered, hit us up. We'll get you taken care of. So The Print Shop prints all of Vossen apparel. Hopefully that makes sense. And it all happens in this warehouse. Lots of dope products coming this Friday. The site's only gonna be open for 24 hours. So from Friday 11 a.m. to Saturday at 11 a.m. PST, we have a ton of new products dropping. Flannels, windbreakers, hats, hoodies, t-shirts, joggers. The list goes on and on. First headlight is on. I figured I would do a little side-by-side stock headlight with some blacked out housing stuff going on. And here's the Subi Speed headlight. I love the Subi Speed headlights. The only thing I'm not the biggest fan of with these, you see how it comes out? It's a very sharp edge. Stock one was a very nice, just clean sweep. Other than that, I really love these headlights. They're sick. All right, let's do a quick little walk around of this thing. I love how it came out. I said earlier I wasn't sure on the carbon hood. Now that it's on and complete with everything else on, I think it's so sick. So today we did the new headlights, the carbon hood. These headlights are sick because they have that little red in there, which goes quite nicely with the brakes. Titanium badges there, go nice with that badge. And then I was unsure on this rear badge where to put it. I just ended up putting it in the factory location. Damn, this thing is sick. So stoked to have this thing back on the road. Let's head back to the house and see what Bobby thinks of it. I forgot how fast this car was. She's definitely on E right now. Only thing I have not figured out yet is the SRH off light that is blinking on the dash now with the new headlights. I did a bunch of research online. I haven't came across anything yet to get that light to turn off. So if you know of a good way other than just going back to OEM headlights, comment down below.
Whoa. Don't get my credits in the shot. Holy
like it?
Yeah, I do. I like it how it matches the exhaust. It's so freaking good.
It's still fast as fuck. Go put some pants on. Everything that we installed in today's video, I will have linked down below. Big thank you to Boost Lab for getting Bobby's turbo situated. I'm kind of glad it still has a 58 on it because it spools so fast compared to a bigger turbo. Makes the car ridiculously fun to drive. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the end result. I think it looks sick. Some of you guys may beg to differ, but that's okay. Bobby likes it as well. Peace out, my good friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.